Hi, to change alarm sound on your Xiaomi Redmi 10, we would need to find clock app first. For that, I'm gonna enable my drawer and yep, here it is. Select it, then select your alarm, go in the additional settings button and after that choose ringtone. And now you'll see plenty options for your ringtone. Just scroll to check any of the option like that. And if you liked something, for example this love category, we can set it as our current ringtone, but before we do this, we can listen this song. For that, just select it. And this is how it will sound. If you would like to set it as your alarm sound, you will need to tap this icon and here just confirm that you want to select this ringtone. Then wait a few seconds and it would be applied successfully. If you would like to change it, you can go back in the ringtone section. Go in this choose local tab, select something from your recorder app, audio files or your music app so you can set your own custom ringtone here with your favorite songs. And also you can go in this pre-installed options and check these default options. For example, let's check this toy robot. So to set it as our new ringtone, we would need to select this green button apply and then confirm that we want to set it for our alarm sound. And now we just need to tap this check mark to confirm the changes. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.